This is the wash basin. Actually, there is lot of wastage of water from this tap. Actually, I removed the filter and I want to extend the flow point. So this is the unit I purchased. I show you how to install it and use the tap, and also to avoid wastage of water. This is very simple. This is when you hold it, it will rotate 360 degrees. See, like this and like this, like this, like this, like this. So you will get like this, but you don't need this also, and this black washer also. The fitment is very simple. I show you. Place it here. And hold this one. Yes, it's over. Now open it. The flow is reduced, and also the flow which is coming here. Earlier, when I open it, I have to keep the palm here. For comfortable washing of hands, this is very good. You can rotate it like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. See, this is 360 degrees rotatable. Very comfortable. And after fitment, there is no single drop of water. So you have to keep it safe, these two parts. If you want to fit it in the other place, these two parts will be required. So it is very simple. Fitment is under 1 minute. See, I need not to go there. I can simply wash from here. I hope this YouTube video is useful, helpful, and informative. Let us meet again. Thank you.